This is what happens when Earth fights back. But what you're seeing, it's not even the full story. What if I told you every disaster hides a secret? Stories of survival, of humanity, and of Earth's raw power. One landslide triggers a flood. Nature's domino effect. Unstoppable, unpredictable. This is Earth's raw power. The ocean goes quiet, then a wall of water rises. In seconds, the bridge vanishes. This is nature's fury, unstoppable, unforgiving. How do you survive? The next wave is coming.
Asterisk the ocean, calm one moment, unstoppable the next. Asterisk. Waves crash with brutal force, tearing through land and sea. A massive ship is tossed, broken apart like it's weightless. The shoreline? Unrecognizable. Buildings shattered, water everywhere.
Waves are moving at 110 kilometers per hour, faster than a highway car. Local authorities warn, asterisk stay away from the coast. Asterisk. Asterisk what caused this? Nature's fury, or something more? It starts with a rumble, small, almost unnoticeable, but then, the ground shakes, 4.3 magnitude, buildings tremble, people rush out of restaurants, fear in their eyes, cracks split through homes, walls crumble, asterisk in seconds, everything changes when the earth moves.
Asterisk two giants, twisting, roaring, unstoppable. Asterisk two massive water tornadoes spiral toward each other, and then, they merge. One colossal, unstoppable force is born. Asterisk what happens when nature combines its fury? You won't believe what comes next. Asterisk.
Asterisk from the ground to the sky, a nightmare is born. Asterisk in Australia, flames twist into the air, a fire tornado erupts, a swirling inferno, climbing higher and higher, unstoppable. Asterisk fire isn't supposed to move like this, but what caused it? Asterisk.
Asterisk Japan, 2024, the ground doesn't shake, it shatters. Asterisk a powerful earthquake rips through the land, homes collapse in seconds. Cars sway, roads crack, the earth moves like it's alive. Asterisk when the ground beneath you isn't safe, where do you run? Asterisk. Asterisk India, a land full of life, drowned in an instant. Asterisk floodwaters surge, swallowing fields of grass and wheat crops. The land, once green and thriving, now a watery grave. Asterisk months of hard work, gone in seconds. How do you recover from this? Asterisk. High in the Himalayas, it starts small, but nature doesn't stay small for long. Asterisk a few rocks tumble down, harmless, right? But then, more come crashing, bigger, faster, an unstoppable landslide. Boulders slam into the river, water surges, chaos unfolds.
Asterisk, it starts with a rumble, then the mountain moves. Asterisk, tons of earth and rock crash down. Trees snapped like twigs. Homes crushed in an instant. The land reshapes itself, unstoppable, unforgiving. But somehow, humans survive. Asterisk, nature's fury spares no one. Asterisk, the sky roars, and then, boom. Asterisk, a thunderstorm strikes, shaking the ground. Winds howl, ripping through the air at unstoppable speed. Trees bend, debris flies, nothing stands still. Asterisk, when nature unleashes its fury, can anything withstand it? Asterisk. Storm hits, sudden, fierce, relentless. A boat struggles against towering waves, unable to move forward. Passengers scramble, securing their belongings, bracing for the worst. Rain pours down in sheets, blinding, unyielding. But then, hope.
Spain's rescue team arrives, battling the elements, reaching the stranded vessel just in time. Against nature's fury, human courage prevails. Everyone is safe.
Asterisk, March 2nd, 2025, China faces nature's relentless fury. Asterisk, massive floods surge through city streets, halting daily life. Citizens pause their routines as heavy snowfall blankets neighborhoods. Freezing rain turns roads into ice rinks, making every step perilous. Late 2024, cities brace as the skies unleash their fury. Torrential rains pound the streets, relentless and unyielding. Ferocious winds howl through urban canyons, toppling trees and power lines. Inside a bustling mall, darkness descends as lights flicker and die. Shoppers pause, hearts racing, as nature's wrath unfolds beyond the glass doors. When the elements conspire, how do we find our way back to the light?
Door closed. Keep the door
The ocean, calm one moment, a raging beast the next. Massive waves rise, towering over the coastal shore. With thunderous force, they crash down, swallowing everything in their path. Beaches, buildings, lives. When the sea decides to reclaim the land, how do we stand our ground?
Jake, are you okay? Coming in. Get out of here! That's like 5 feet up.
In a tranquil Swiss village, peace shatters. Rocks hurtle down the mountainside, unstoppable forces of nature. Homes lie in their path, vulnerable. Authorities act swiftly, ordering evacuations to safeguard lives. When the mountain moves, survival means leaving everything behind. Out of nowhere, BAM, baseball-sized hailstones slam into the ground and pool, causing chaos. A cow, panicked, struggles to escape the relentless barrage. When the sky hurls ice at 100 miles per hour, is any place safe?
It's like right in front of. Oh my god.
There is a freaking tornado out. Oh my God!
You think it's a dust storm? Think again. Jet engines roar to life on the ground, blasting powerful gusts skyward. A massive cloud erupts, engulfing the area in a swirling haze. When machines awaken, the earth trembles.